I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the sway so you can shape content immediately. Open Sway and pick a template or import a file. This gives you a starting layout. Next, define the storyline. Decide which items are cards versus sections so flow makes sense. Add your core assets now: images, short videos, headings, and the primary text blocks. Once done, tag any media with captions and alt text to aid accessibility and future edits. This front-loading saves rework later. Now refine how viewers experience the sway by arranging cards and nesting sections for pacing. Drag content to reorder and collapse or expand groups to control rhythm. This matters for narrative clarity. Apply a design and layout so typography and motion match your purpose. Use focus to emphasize key visuals. Embed external content like maps or forms, and configure autoplay or click-to-play for videos. Make sure transitions support the message rather than distract from it. Finish by previewing the sway on multiple devices to confirm responsive layout and media scaling. Make adjustments to image crops and text breaks as needed. Once satisfied, set sharing, generate a link, restrict access, or invite specific people with edit/view permissions. If problems appear, test links and replace videos with supported codecs. Clear browser cache and disable extensions that block content. If viewers report playback issues, provide a direct download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.